Welcome back, and this is your Scratch interface, the Scratch editor where you're gonna work. I'm gonna make it full screen so that it's more visible to you. You can see here these are the code palettes, and you can click on, for example, in motion. All the coding blocks related to motion are available there. In the looks, all the coding blocks that can help you to change the look of the sprites or the background is are available here. Sound, to use any sound. Events is the first thing that how you're gonna event is an action that can trigger the instructions in your program. So it could be when flag is clicked. So when you do this action, it will run a code of instruction. So these are the events. Then we have controls and a lot of other blocks. So these are the code palettes, and these are the different code blocks that you can use. We have costumes here. So for example, for this sprite there are different costumes of this sprite. The third thing is sounds. If you want to insert more sound files, right now we have only one meow for the cat, but we can add more sound files from the bottom here. Once it is done, let's go back to the original one, to the code one. Whenever you're writing something, this is called your script area. So script area means where you're going to write on the code. So for example, if you want to make your cat move, you're going to move 10 steps here, and you're moving this code to the script area, and now you can run it. Okay, this is your sprite, and you can add more sprite. Choose a sprite from here. You can choose for any sprite from the library, or you can draw your own sprite, or you can upload a sprite that's available there. These are the backdrops. Backdrop means the background. You can choose any of the background that is suitable for you or for your program. I'm gonna use a simple blue sky one here. You can drag your sprite and fit it anywhere you want to. Let's talk about this one. This sprite name is sprite1. Any character or anything or any the programmable thing that you're going to use is called sprite in Scratch. You can name it if you want to change its name. I'm going to name it cat. And here all your stage, this is called your stage. Your stage is all is a set of pixels. It's all divided into x and y coordinate. And as you know that in x and y coordinate, if you put x0, it's the center of the stage. I put x0. When I press enter, you can see the cat is at x0. Y0 will be the center of y-axis. So when it's minus 97 right now, when I put 0, it will go up. So this is x0 and y0. This is the exact center of our stage. Direction. Our cat is, all the sprites by default are at 90-degree direction. However, if you want to change their direction, you can choose this direction direction facility, and you can just like put any angle there to make it rotate. Size, this is the by default, it's 100%. You can increase and decrease the size, so I can say maybe 50 or like that. This is to show and hide. Okay, so if I click on show, it's already, you can see the show button uh, is of blue color, so it means it's show. If I click on this one, it's hidden now, but it's available. You can see that the cat is available here and the cat sprite is available. I'm gonna make my cat first of all, as I've hidden it already, so I'm gonna first of all show it. I've chosen the size 50. I'm gonna make it again 100 so that it will be visible. Oh, I've written 535, which is quite big, so I'm gonna make it 100. Um, I'm gonna make it move 10 steps, and I'm gonna choose event that whenever I press space key, it will move 10 steps. Now when I press space key from my keyboard, it's moving 10 steps. Okay, that was all about the Scratch window and its Scratch interface. You can see there is a green flag button. The green flag button is also to run the program. So instead of when space run, if I do move 10 steps in under the flag, then it means that whenever I press the flag button, my cat is going to run 10 steps. This is to stop the program. Okay, moving on this way, and we can change our interface looks. It's like this. So when I click on this one, it's expanding my script area and decreasing my stage area. If you click on this one, it's gonna change the look of my interface, so it's giving more space to the stage. This is to make it full size. So when I click on this one, it's gonna be a full size. Now when I press the flag key, my cat is gonna move. If I want to stop, I can stop, and I can go back to the original editor. Here we gives the name. Here we can give the name. So I'm going to give it a name, uh, my first program. Okay, and uh, it's already saved by default. Scratch keep on saving, but sometimes it's written here save now. So if it's written save now, it means that the program originally till now is not saved, and you can click on the save now button. You can see when I moved it here, it's written save now. So it is this part. When I moved it back here, it's not saved. Now I can click on save now before I finish my program.